Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will narrate some article from investing.com, and the title for the article is European stock futures weaken US inflation surprise wage on statement on sentiment. And this article was made by Peter Nurse, made at September 14, 2022 at 2 a.m. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Investing.com European stocks market are expected to open lower Wednesday, continuing the global sell-off after the hotter than expected US inflation data fueled speculation that the Federal Reserve will continue its aggressive monetary tightening. At 2:05 ET, the DAX futures contract in Germany traded 0.3 lower. CAC 40 future in France dropped 0.2%, and the FTSE 100 futures contract in the UK fell 0.2%. European stocks have received a negative handover from Wall Street and Asia after the US Consumer Price Index came in Tuesday more than expected for August. This raised the likelihood that the Federal Reserve will keep raising interest rates at a sharp pace this year to combat inflation, even at the risk of the largest economy in the world falling into recession. Markets are now pricing in a high possibility that the Fed will raise rates by 75 basis points next week, but the change of a full 1% rate increase is now also being considered. Back in Europe, the inflation situation is more acute, with UK consumer price rising 0.5% in August, a 9.9% rise on an annual basis. Although this represents a slight dip from July, it still makes it likely the Bank of England will continue its tightening path despite its forecast that the country will enter the lately recession in the fourth quarter. The Bank of America expects the BOE to raise interest rate by half a percentage point next week, and at its following two meetings, and then to make further quarter point rate rise in 2023, taking rate to 4% by August next year. In corporate news, Inditex will be in the spotlight Wednesday after the fashion giant and owner of the Zara brand reported a 24.5% jump in 6-month sales and a higher profit than a year ago, closing July on a strong footing just before fashion demand started weakening last month due to rampant inflation. Okay, so that's the article from investing.com by Peter Nurse. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy, and I hope this video will be very useful for your life. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and goodbye.